Hello guys, welcome back to 𝗗𝗃𝗀𝗀. We are back with another review and today I'm going to review Mootion. So Mootion is a tool that is going to give you pro level videos just from your simple prompts. So basically this is an AI video generator. All you have to do is just provide a simple topic, what kind of video you want. So you have to provide a topic for that, or you can also provide a simple prompt. And what Mootion does is just takes that simple prompt or topic and then it is going to create a comprehensive video that is going to have a length of 2 to 3 or even more minutes, and everything that you need for a video, for example it could be script, it could be images, it could be the video clips, all of them are going to be generated on Mootion with the AI. So as you can see, this is an alternative to OpenArt. And now let me show you all the features. So you can put your ideas in Mootion, which means you can turn your ideas into videos. So you can auto generate a complete video story from a single prompt. You can let the AI plan everything, and you can also monitor the whole process of video making. But you can also make videos from existing content. It could be text, script, image, audio files. So basically you can repurpose your existing content. And then also you can make videos from multiple sources. You can also whip up your videos for any use case using the templates. There are already some templates on Mootion, as you can see on the right side. So you can also use those templates. And then you can also add various dynamic animated content. You can generate characters, movement, transitions. So there are a lot of features. And Mootion is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. As you can see, the price is only $69. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So currently there are only 3 tiers on AppSumo. The tier 1 is going to cost $69, and here you are going to get 1,750 credits per month. And the character limits, which means the text character limits, it's 20k. The size asset limit is 12 GB. Max scenes you can have on per project is 16, and there is no voiceover on the tier 1, so make sure you keep that in mind. And also there are some more features such as 1080p resolution, video clip generation, general commercial use, multimodal input, access to all the visual styles. There's going to be no watermark, realistic voiceovers. Okay, so here they are mentioning voiceover is not available on the tier 1, but here they are mentioning it is available. So I think on the tier 1 you are going to get access to only the basic voiceovers, and there is also AI image editing, but there is no prioritized generation on tier 1, which means it can take some time to generate the videos. But on tier 2 and tier 3, as you can see, you are going to get access to the prioritized generation. And there are also some other features such as way bigger credits, and you are going to get even way more credits on the tier 3, which is 8,000 per month, and also 50k character limits compared to tier 2's 20k. The size assets on here is only 25 GB, but on the tier 3 you're going to get massive limit, which is 115 GB, and also the voiceover is also unlimited, and obviously you're going to get all these features. So if you want to buy Mootion on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how Mootion is going to work, let me first take a look at the release notes or the change log of this tool. So as you can see, here are all the release notes, which means exactly all the updates that are being added to Mootion. So you can see on September 24th there is this update, and then on September 19 there is this 3D cartoon style model updated with Tools UI update, then bug fixes, then some feature release. From the change log you can tell that this tool is regularly updated. So now let me show you how Mootion is going to work, how can you generate videos with it. Okay, so as you can see, after you log in, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. And the best part I like about this dashboard is that it is super user friendly. So even a beginner would not have any problem at all in order to create videos on this tool. So as you can see, I have talked about the templates, and these are the templates that you can use in order to create videos for certain use cases. For example, my alternate life, dream journal, autobiography, famous quotes, and then bilingual dialogue, bilingual story. So there are multiple options on here. You can even create faceless short videos. So there are so many options. These are all the templates, keep that in mind. And these are all the videos that are generated with the AI of Mootion. So as you can see, here's one video. Let me turn it on. So as you can see, here's one video that is created with Mootion. And just see how amazing this is. I really like. I am already impressed with the quality of this video.
Was not originally destined for the throne.
So as you can see, this is the video, and keep in mind everything is generated on Mootion, and just see how clear, how realistic the videos are. And you can also get some information about this video on this left side. I can download the thumbnail for this video, the actual video in MP4 format, or use this. So these are all the videos. You can also explore this video in order to get some ideas or see how good this tool is. So as you can see, there is animated videos, realistic videos. There are multiple videos that you can create on here. So as I have said earlier, these are the templates, but the biggest question is how to create videos, and for that you have to use this section. This has to be the most easiest section in order to create videos. All you have to do is just provide your prompt or your idea on here. For example, I want a video on this topic, how to stay fit in summer season. So now all I have to do is just write this topic and then click on this generate, and just see how the AI is going to do literally everything, from script writing, from generating images, from selecting the aspect ratio, which means managing all the technical parts. So as you can see, the process has started. Now it is breaking down the project into various phases, okay, 4 main phases. So first there is the overall planning, which means how the video is going to be. The overall plan is here, and then the script writing plan is here, as you can see. And then we have also got the storyboard design as well as video post-production setup. So just see the AI director, as you can see here is the AI director. This AI director is doing literally everything in order to create the video. Okay, so now it is selecting the language as well as the aspect ratio. Okay, so as you can see, it has came up with the setup, the initial setup. So I can obviously choose the language or the ratio, aspect ratio if I want. I can also select the visual style. As you can see, there are multiple styles. I'm just going to keep it photorealistic, and the aspect ratio is going to be 16:9, which is very suitable for YouTube. I can also switch to this one if I want a short or reel video, and the language is going to be set to English. Now let me continue generating. Okay, so now the screenwriter has taken the job, the director has finished his job, and now it is coming up with the script structure. Okay, so now we are getting the script. It is being written in real time, as you can see, by the screenwriter. And keep in mind, according to the script, the video is going to be made. Okay, so as you can see, the script writing has been finished, which means the job of screenwriter is now finished. Now another AI has taken over the job. So this is the animator. It is going to animate the video, make the animation. So now there is an option on here. If I want, I can animate all the scenes, which means every scene is going to be a video. So I want that. Let me click on yes. I want to animate all the scenes. So now each of the scenes on this video is going to be animated, which is going to be amazing, hopefully. And I have seen a lot of AI generators, but they do not really have this option. They are just going to give you a video with still images, not animation. But let me see what kind of animated images or video we get. Okay, so as you can see, the animations are also created. Now the editor has taken over the job, and now it is coming up with all these details. I can also set it up if I want. As you can see, I can select the title style. So I'm just going to keep it. Okay, no, this one. I think this one looks great. And as for the subtitle, this one is okay. I can also choose a scene effect, scene transition. So there are multiple transition options as well as effects option. And also I can select the voiceover as well as the avatar if I want. I'm just going to keep them as they are and then click on continue generating. Okay, so now it is generating the voiceover for narration. Let's see what kind of voiceover we get. And one thing I have noticed is that it is really smooth. That tool is really smooth and also fast. One of the major problems I have seen on AI video generators on lifetime deals are that They are slow, very slow. They get stuck in a lot of steps and overall it becomes a time consuming task. But for Mootion, it's really fast, I have to say that. So you can already see on the screen that the editor is also doing its job very well. It's rendering the subtitles, it's designing and rendering the transition effects, it's combining all the elements, adjusting even the audio level, even applying the color correction and color grading, and also making the final adjustments. Okay, so we have got a video. As you can see, it is 2 minutes and 36 seconds long. It is a really long video. And on the left side, we can see some details about this video. The title, here is the title, and also the resolution, how many scenes are there, how many time, the length, and also the summary, as well as the hashtags and the script. So as you can see, we have got the video, and if I play the video...
Summer is a wonderful fitness during the summer season at its peak, making it ideal. Hydration. Monitor your intake of water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber. These activities that help keep your energy level stable. Salad, stroll as the day cools. Reflect on your day. Relaxation summer is also about rest and help maintain emotional.
So as you can see, this was the video, and this was the video with the animated images, animated scenes. You can obviously also make videos with still images. I have also made a video with still images on the same topic, how to stay fit in summer. Let me also show you that. So here's another video made with Mootion, but it is only containing the still images.
As summer approaches, many people are inspired to stay fit and healthy. The key to maintaining fitness during the hot months is to adapt your routine and lifestyle to the season's unique challenges and opportunities. Stay hydrated. The heat increases the risk of dehydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial. Infuse your water with slices of citrus,
so as you can see, the videos
cucumber,
have very relevant images, the voiceover is on point, the subtitle
Set
is
reminders
also...
if needed to ensure adequate fluid intake.
The subtitle is also syncing really well.
Embrace outdoor activities to be fit, but also consider scheduling your workouts for early morning, light and nutritious meals. Tomatoes offer hydration. Aim to keep a consistent. Incorporating flexibility exercises or yoga can aid in preventing a consistent exercise routine.
But obviously I'm on the free plan, so the AI models are not obviously the great on this plan. But when you purchase it from AppSumo, the videos are going to be even way better. So this is basically how the tool is going to work. All you have to do is just provide the topic on here, provide your prompt or the idea on here, and then just click on generate, and the AI is going to do literally everything for you in order to come up with the video. And obviously, as I have said earlier, there are a lot of other tools on here, such as this general creation. So general creation is basically creating your video on general topics, on whatever topic you want, and you have multiple options for that. You can generate from a prompt. All you have to do is just provide the prompt on here. It could be your idea or a topic. You can also set the quick pace if you want. So quick pace is basically rapid and shortcuts, great for TikTok ads, memes and challenges. So you can also turn it on if you want TikTok ads or any kind of relevant ads. You can even use your own content in order to create content. For example, you can paste your own script and then you can create the video according to that script. And if you want per paragraph as a scene, you can make sure you mark this. And also there is this recording, use my recording section. So here you can record your own audio or even video, which is amazing. And then turn that into a video from Mootion. You can even upload your audio file in order to turn that into a video. This is another amazing feature. So as I have said earlier, you can create video from your content. So for that you can use this section or this one, or even you can use the prompt section. And obviously whatever option you choose, there is always going to be this option such as the language. You can choose these languages. You can keep a tone, a certain tone on here, or even you can even create your own tone if you want. You can select an AI avatar for the video as well as the ratio. So 3 ratios are currently available: the square ratio, the TikTok or short or reels ratio, the YouTube ratio, which is the landscape ratio. And then there are a lot of visual styles. You can create your videos in anime style, retro comics, 3D cartoon, picture book, and a lot more styles are here as you can see. So now let me go back to the workspace or the dashboard. And obviously other than the general creation, there are a lot more templates such as recording to a video or even history for kids or even science for kids. So you can also use these templates if you want. in order to create a certain type of video. And then there are some AI tools on Mootion. Probably you can remove the background of images. Let me try this one. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded an image. So let me see if it can remove the background properly. Okay, so now let me remove the background. Okay, so just see how smoothly the background has been removed. The picture still remains intact very well. As you can see, the fingers, this particular spot, everything has been smoothly done. Now you can download this picture if you want, or you can even add some other backgrounds on here. For example, if I want to add this background, as you can see, it has been added. So just like this, you can remove the background of any pictures. There is also this image style transfer. So let me upload an image on here. Okay, so I have uploaded another image. So this one, the reference image. Now I can turn it to photorealistic or even retro anime painting. Let me turn this to painting. Okay, so as you can see, the reference image has been turned into a painting style image. So just like this, you can turn this image, turn any image, any reference image to any of these styles. And then you can see all of your projects on here, which means all of the videos that you have generated, all the medias that you have uploaded. So I have uploaded these medias, and as you can see, they are here. I can also add more medias if I want. And then there is also this gallery section, which means on here you can see all of the videos that are generated with the AI of Mootion. And you can also browse by categories. For example, if you want to see only videos about nature and science, so here's that. And then also motivational videos, the horror videos. So just like this, you can explore different videos by Mootion AI. So overall, I think Mootion is an excellent tool that lets you create videos. This is an AI video generator. All you have to do is just provide your prompt or even your topic or even your idea, and then Mootion is going to turn that idea into a very good video. The video is going to be pretty long, 2, 3 or even more minutes, and you can customize every part of the video. For example, it could be aspect ratio, the language, the images, the colors, the scenes, the subtitles, whatever you want. So if you want to buy Mootion on lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, as you can see, you can get these 3 tiers.
So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.